The menu of your website will be placed into the header of your website. Here your website visitors will be able to easily navigate and access each page of your website. To edit the menu, place your cursor over the menu until the Edit Menu button appears. Click on the Edit Menu button. Inside of the Edit window, your website pages will be displayed if you had chosen a pre-made template. In this window, pages can be added and removed from the website menu. To remove a page from the menu, place your cursor on the tab of the page you wish to remove, and then click on the dustbin icon. Then click on Yes. The page will now be removed from the menu. To add a new page to the menu, click on the Add Menu Item button. Under Page Group, select the page group your added page is stored into. Under Page, select the page you wish to add to the menu. Under Open In, select whether you would like the page to open in the same browser tab, or if you would like the page to open in a new browser tab. If you choose to select New tab, your website visitor will be able to access the web page inside of a new tab on their browser. Then click Select. The menu will now display the added page. The menu item will automatically be named with the same name as the added page. If you would prefer to change the name on the menu, click on the name and retype the new name for the menu. The new name will now appear on the menu. To rearrange menu items, click on the dot next to the menu item and drag the item into the order you wish them to appear on the menu. The menu items will now be shown in the exact order that they are placed in. Then click on Save.